Pero hindi ako masamang tao. I will not judge you. I will not say ill things to you. Kung hindi naman talaga kita kilala, or hindi naman kita nakasalamuha, or hindi mo ko pinakitunguhan ng ganun. Pero, if nakilala kita at ganun mo ko pinakitunguhan, I might say that some people, or they should have to have a taste of their own medicine. Kasi, the more kanila aabusuhin the more kanila i-bring down, the more you will get hurt in the process. Kasi you keep on just understanding and understanding. Pero, hindi dapat ganun. Sometimes, mag-set din tayo ng boundaries sa mga tao. Mag-set tayo ng boundaries kung hanggang saan lang sila dapat. At kung ano lang yung mga pwede mong i-tolerate sa mga ginagawa nila sa'yo. So, para dun sa nagtanong sa akin, magpakatotoo ka lang sa sarili mo. Kung plastic sila sa'yo, then hayaan mo sila. Basta ikaw magpakatotoo ka sa sarili mo. No one is born to be perfect. But we are born to be true. So, kung hindi sila nagpapakatotoo sa'yo, hindi sila mabuting tao sa'yo, then show them how ikaw yung magpakita sa kanila nun. Pero kung alam mo sa sarili mo na naaabuso ka na, or they are hitting you below the belt now with their acts, with their words, then you have to let them know. Or walk away from those people. Sana may natutunan kayo sa akin. Peace!